Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is episode 2 in my whole house decluttering series. If you're brand new here, I am going through my house room by room and decluttering my entire house. I have the playlist pinned to the top of my YouTube page as well. It'll be in the description box if you want to catch up on episode 1. So unfortunately, today's video is not my best video. I had a lot of footage get corrupted. I'm not sure if I need a new camera or I need new editing software, but something's happening and I really need to figure that out. So unfortunately, there's a lot of great clips that I'm not able to share with you today. I still wanted to make this video and include what I have because I wanted to show you before and afters. I wanted to show you what I did work on this week, even if I wasn't able to show the full process. I still think that there are some great clips in here, and I do think that it's some good cleaning motivation or decluttering motivation. So I'm actually starting in Luca's room today. He is my 2-year-old, and unfortunately, his room really just falls into chaos very quickly. We have a ton of friends with older kids that give us all their clothes, which I am super grateful for, but it very quickly goes like it gets out of hand very fast. So in just a couple seconds, you'll see the room change, and unfortunately, that was one of the clips that got corrupted, and I can't share that with you, and I am so sad. But essentially, I'm just going through a couple boxes of clothes that we received from donation and just sorting what we're keeping and what we're not keeping, and then putting all those clothes away in the bureau and taking everything out of the bureau that we are not keeping and just packing things up to pass on to the next baby that's going to receive all these clothes. Me and my friends, or my friends and I, have quite a big mommy group going right now, and all of our children are different ages, and we just kind of like rotate out, and it's actually like the best thing ever. It feels great just to get a bunch of clothes in and then to just pass that box of clothing right on to the next child. I'm so grateful that I have this little like mommy circle that we have going. So part of this decluttering series that I am doing is really just trying to take my house back and take my life back. I just feel like I don't have a good grip on the house. I have no idea what we have, what we don't have, what we need, what we don't need. And that's part of why I decided to tackle this new series of decluttering the whole house. So a couple months ago, if you're new here, I actually did his room. And I'm sure returning subscribers are like, girl, it looks like nothing ever happened. And like I said, that's part of the reason why I started this, is because I really want to develop some good and a lot better organizational systems and just a easier process of having things come into the home and what I'm getting rid of, because whatever I'm doing right now is not working clearly. But the reason I'm redoing it again is because, one, it was a mess, but also we transitioned Luca to a toddler bed right after I filmed this video, actually. Um, he was climbing out of the crib a couple months ago, and we got the room ready, and then he stopped. He just stopped climbing out of the crib altogether, and we wanted to keep him in the crib as long as we possibly could, so we never transitioned him. But this time, like, it's real. He is like Spider-Man and just climbing right out with like no trouble at all. So I wanted to get the room like ready to go, to transition him to the toddler bed. So that's what this video is just getting the room ready and doing some kind of light decluttering. But you will see in just a couple seconds, or in a couple minutes rather, that I still have the entire closet to do. The closet is just a wall of stuff. I use the closet for a variety of things, as storage, as like a toy rotation, extra clothes, and honestly, all of it needs to go. So that's probably going to be my next video, because I'm actually seeing all the moms in my mom group in a couple of weeks, and I want to have everything ready to go for them. So I'm just going to wrap up by vacuuming in this room. You obviously are seeing little man run around. He absolutely loves the vacuum. He is not afraid of it at all and just thinks it's like the best thing ever, as you can see by this video. But it is very difficult to vacuum with him because he is just all over the place and wants to touch everything and pull the cord and like ride on it. And it's just so silly and just so fun. But now I'm going to show you what the closet looks like right now. And like I said, it is an absolute wall of stuff, and everything needs to get taken out of that closet and decluttered. But I just wanted to get the room ready and just kind of start that process. So moving on is my utility closet, which is the closet at the top of my stairs across from my kitchen. So this holds all of our cleaning products, general house stuff, like some basic house tools, our vacuum, like you name it, it's in here. And honestly, guys, I'm ready for the judgment. I know I'm probably going to get some nasty comments, and that's okay. I have not cleaned this closet in probably over 3 years. So you are going to see a lot of dust, a lot of hair. Honestly, it's so gross. Like, I admit it. But again, that's part of why I'm doing this series, is to take back my house, truly. It really feels like I have been holding my breath for 2 years, and it feels for the first time like I'm starting to come out of like a haze. And I'm just ready. I'm ready for big changes, and I'm ready to take my house back, and I'm ready to have a clean and organized home. I feel like I'm getting out of survival mode finally, and I'm just ready for my house to like kind of reflect that. So that's what I'm doing here, is just taking everything out, and I'm going to be decluttering it. Unfortunately, a large portion of the decluttering process of this utility closet got corrupted. I just have like the tail end of it. But like I said, I still wanted to share it with you because I still think it's an amazing before and after. I'm actually really happy with how the utility closet looks. And I know it's not the best, but like I said, I still wanted to share it with you. So I'm actually going to let a little bit of music play and let my voice recover, and I will be back in just a little bit to wrap up this video and show you the last thing that I'm working on.
Yeah. Would it be cool to say yeah, intuition, just wanna follow intuition. All my senses tell me I know what you've been thinking. I've been feeling, what if we got up, left this party? Cause I can see you're probably gonna be scrolling feeds all night long. Your friends are drunk, and the DJ keeps playing the same songs, and time isn't moving along. So would it be cool to say, do you wanna escape without ending the night? We could drive through all of the city lights, or we could find a two-song place, just you and I. That'd be nice. Oh, do you want to escape with me? Oh, oh, oh. Do you want to escape with me? Escape with you. Yeah, I see you there biting your cherry lips, giving me a hint at an early exit. Can't believe, gotta pinch your cheek to know this isn't fantasy. Right, skip the chit chat cause that shit cheap. Doesn't matter either way cause I can hear a thing. Wanna get some air to breathe cause I can see you falling asleep. Your friends are drunk, and the DJ keeps playing the same songs, and time isn't moving along. So would it be cool to say, do you wanna escape without ending the night? We could drive through all of the city lights, or we could find a two-song place, just you and I. That'd be nice. Do you want to escape with me? Oh, oh, oh. Do you want to escape with me? Escape with me. Escape with me. Oh, intuition, follow intuition. Escape with me. Escape with intuition, follow intuition.
So as I said, unfortunately, most of my decluttering footage from this closet was corrupted. You saw in just a few clips back all of the stuff that I took out of it, and I am just so sad that I could not share it with you. It was so good, and I just love this transformation. I'm happy that I got a little bit, but I did want to share the whole thing, but it just kind of is what it is. I'm happy to share the before and afters though. So I'm actually going to let some music play for the rest of the video. The last space that I'm tackling after I finish the utility closet is in my laundry room. I have several bins of clothes that are honestly a mix of everything from the past 3 years. So I have like old dance recital costumes that don't fit Evelyn anymore, things that need to go to dry cleaning, baby blankets, maternity clothes, clothes that don't fit me. Like honestly, you name it, it's there. And I am just going to be sorting and going through 2 big boxes of things that need to get washed, need to go to donation. Like it's, you know it, you know the process. So I'm going to let some music play. I love you guys from the absolute bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and being patient with me. I know this video isn't my best and I'm really sad about it, but I always appreciate your support and your love. This is the after, just real quick. This is the after of the utility closet, and I love it. It looks so good. I'm so proud of myself. It felt so good to clean this space. But yeah, I'm going to let some music play for the rest of the video. I love you, and definitely stay tuned. You know I am going full steam ahead with the decluttering. So I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
For